Hi, I'm ADEL Taylor. I'm part of the structural division here at Aquaguard. It's Monday morning. We get here at 6:30. We go into meetings about training. Why don't you guys follow me? I'm going to show you around. So we're a three-man crew. We got all our materials and our tools off the truck, so we're gonna head over to the crawl space entrance and get ready to start digging. So I just got out of the crawl space, and what we did down there was we stabilized the floor with some smart jacks. Originally, he had some Home Depot jacks down there that were just inadequate. They weren't doing the job. So what we did was we came in, we replaced that with our smart jack system so that the homeowner can have peace of mind. One of the biggest challenges with the job I just did is going to be really getting the equipment to where you need it to be, because it's pretty heavy in weight. It's meant to hold a house. It's meant to hold the floor. They have a lot of weight to them, and then you're on your stomach crawling through the crawl space. So as a team, what I like to do to just keep my guys focused and get them through the job and just keep the mindset positive is jokes all day long. While we're moving equipment, I'm cracking jokes. I'm tickling people on their boot. Just anything to make them smile and just kind of make them forget that they're at work. Well, on a spectrum of 1 to 10, this job was probably like a 2. Got it done in like 2 hours, honestly, so I get to go home and play video games now, so I'm pretty stoked.